Virgin Voyages Cruise Line is a family-friendly vacation experience that we have all come to know for its reasonable prices, popular destinations, and distinguished passengers. How could something like this even happen? On October 4th, 2024, the Key West Police Department was called to the scene for reports of that person.
I will open the case, doctor.
Yes, please open the key. There was some gentleman.
Okay.
So I'm Officer Roscoe of the Key West Police Department. This is Officer Betts.
Okay.
So, pretty sure you know what we're here.
I'm only assuming that it's because somebody I was with sprayed an employee.
Okay.
That's all it is.
So, right now you're not under arrest, but obviously you're not free to leave. So before we go any further, I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay? I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Oh my God.
You're not under arrest, like I said. It's just...
Because you understand we're on a ship,
Yep.
that
Okay.
you can't leave freely anyhow. So in order to interview you, we just have to do it.
Yeah, it's...
We're
it's the law.
investigating. That's all we're doing.
You said that somebody that was with you
Yeah, it was
sprayed?
not. It was not me.
Sprayed? Who is that someone?
Go ahead. You can...
I only know her first name. Her name is Anita or Anna. I know her by Anita.
Is she staying with you?
She's in the same group that we're with.
Okay.
I don't know her last name. Like I said, I just met her. This is the second time I meet her.
Okay. So, like I said, not under arrest, just right now you're not free to leave, so before I can ask anything, I have to read you your Miranda rights, okay? Okay? Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have these rights in mind if you wish to speak to me now.
Yes.
Okay. So, walk me through what happened.
We went to the restroom. Her and I went together with another group of.
No, this was
yesterday
Anita?
night. Anita.
Okay.
So we walked to the restroom together. I go into the restroom. I use the restroom. I come out. Anita starts talking to me. Next thing I know, she sees somebody who works there. I don't know if it was a server or somebody else, but it was an employee. She gets down with a janitorial kit on the floor. She gets down. She picks up the bottle, and she sprays her in the face.
Anita.
Yes. All I know is that I told her, we're going to get in trouble. Like, I apologize to the employee. I'm so sorry. I'm like, we're going
It's very important, and I understand you're on a cruise ship, and I don't know if you read all this stuff. You understand that the cruise ships in the public areas, i.e. everywhere but your quarters, it's better than casinos as far as any video.
Oh, yeah.
So it's imperative, if you're not telling the truth, to tell the truth. Because at the end of the day, if you're the one that sprayed somebody in the face, and now if people cover things up with a lie, it always looks worse.
Of course.
And then when the interview gets played to the jury, if it goes to trial, now you're an evil person instead of, hey, I made a stupid mistake. So I've been doing this 18 years, and I've seen people dig a bigger hole than a stupid mistake. Stupid mistakes happen. Okay.
Correct.
So if your friend Anita that you don't know, her last name, what's she look like?
She has long black hair.
Okay. And who's she here with? Do you know?
She's here with her husband, and she's here with the same group.
What's her husband's name? Do you know that?
Wilfred.
Wolfred? Okay.
So you didn't see anything prior to Anita spraying the crew member in the face with the chemical?
I was in the bathroom. I came out. I don't remember seeing anything. I mean, I
Did you see her spray her?
I didn't.
You did?
Yes.
Okay.
What other girls were with you guys? Ladies.
Her name is Karen, 130.
So we're still sorting out, and that's why you got brought down, and
Okay.
and you are on video.
I figured that's what
In
my
that
husband
group?
and I figured.
This is why you're here.
That's why we would.
All right,
I would be called down here.
Everything, like I said, in the cruise ship is recorded. So it drives me nuts that people go out and do things like this on cruise ships.
I mean, I'm not making excuses for her because there is no excuse. And as a matter of fact, as soon as I walked out and I left with my husband shortly after that, I told my husband about it because she told me, don't tell him. So I told him because I was flabbergasted, because to me it's just not okay.
Right.
Not
Well,
okay.
fortunately, the chemical was bathroom cleaner.
I figured it was something to that effect because it was down on the floor. So what else, would it be?
Did you see where she grabbed the bottle from? Like off the
Pretty
cart
sure-
or?
No, I'm pretty sure the little cleaning caddy was on the floor.
Okay, but
I'm
she removed it from the.
Oh, that I didn't see.
Okay, I didn't know if you saw where she
know.
grabbed it from. Good morning, I'm Officer Roscoe, the Key West Police Department. What's your first name?
Karen?
Karen, take a seat.
My name is Devin, Civil Services Director on board.
Okay.
Support. And also this is Andros, I'm the General Manager.
So, do you know why you're here?
No.
Okay, so apparently, before we go any further, you're not under arrest. I'm just going to ask you, so you're on board, you're not free to leave right this minute. So before I can ask you any questions or anything like that, I have to read you your rights. Okay, like I said, you're not under arrest, you're just not free to leave. So you understand each of these rights as I've explained to you.
Yes.
Okay, with these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me? Okay.
Do you need them for anything else?
No, no. So apparently there was an incident on board this about midnight, 1 o'clock this morning that you might have witnessed or been involved with.
Where in the last night in the nightclub?
Was that?
Where
Let's do
I was
that.
there. But,
Can you tell me? Can you tell me what you saw?
Yes, I was with my friends. She was a little bit drunk.
Okay.
Is that real? She was drunk, and she just do what she was just getting the spray, and she do choo choo to the air, but not to no one in the face.
She did. So you didn't see her
No,
spray
she
someone.
didn't do no like this. No.
Did she spray it in the direction?
No. She,
Just straight up in the air.
yeah, and she was a little drunk. She put it back, and I say no 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 no, and she put it back, but it wasn't like.
So, what we're doing, they followed the CCTV. So we have 3 ladies that were in that area. Okay, so we have pictures from the CCTV of them, what they were wearing and how they looked that night. Because I know it's hard to look at the crew picture. So what I want you to do is take a look at all those, and then tell me which one is the one that sprayed you with the chemicals.
She's not wearing a earring. I'm confused now.
That's okay. But again, it was traumatic, and you're doing your job, and you got sprayed. So take your time. And
I'm sure it's not her.
okay, definitely
It's
not.
not her.
Okay.
It is more like her because she's not, that moment, she's not tie her hair.
Okay.
Yeah.
How at a percentage? How much percentage you think it's her?
80%.
80? Okay, perfect. That's good enough for me as far as what you can remember. Because like I said, it was traumatic, and we understand that.
Yeah.
So what I need you to do is can you just
Like that.
okay, perfect, Catherine. All right, they're gonna get you out in the dock. So thank you very much,
Okay.
and we'll get you all set. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
10 minutes to get to the doctor.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thanks. I'm gonna go with Leia. We're talking WhatsApp.
So, do you know why we're here?
No,
No clue, like whatsoever.
my friend now told me I don't know what's happening.
Okay. So right now you're not under arrest or anything like that, but you're not free to leave. So before we go any further, like I said, you're not under arrest right now. Okay. I have to read you your Miranda rights before I can ask you any questions or talk to you any further. Okay.
I need
Would you like water?
Spanish.
You see somebody speak Spanish?
Yeah, Spanish, yes.
Please, no.
You're not
What's
under.
happened? No,
I'll explain everything to you, but I have to read you this first. Okay.
but what's happened with the police? I don't know.
I'll
what-
explain everything in just a couple minutes. Okay. You said you wanted someone that speaks Spanish, so they're going to get someone that speaks Spanish to translate. Okay.
Okay. No, I have two kids. I don't know what.
This is our colleague Gabriela. She speaks very
I can talk to her and ask her any questions. I have to read her rights.
Okay. Mire, él dice que usted no está en problemas, no se preocupe, solo necesita leerle sus derechos porque necesitan checar, ellos solo están corroborando los hechos, él solo le va a leer sus derechos, le va a preguntar lo que pasó, es todo, no se preocupe, solo le van a preguntar lo que pasó y ya, no se preocupe, no va a ir a la cárcel ni nada, ¿de acuerdo? Él solo le quiere leer sus derechos y todo.
Pointing to you before any questioning, if you wish.
Si no puede pagar una...
Was she out on the ship last night on the second deck, right? Was where it happened? Deck 2?
Deck 6.
Deck 6? About midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning?
¿Qué estaba haciendo ayer? ¿Usted estaba afuera en el piso? She said she was with a group of friends.
Who were the friends?
¿Quiénes eran los amigos?
Choice here, because everything's on video, and it only makes it worse if she tries to cover up a mistake.
You can put any,
So she doesn't remember.
She doesn't remember anything.
Was she that intoxicated that she blacked out and doesn't remember?
¿Estaba tomada? Muy
It's not
tomada.
an excuse, but I'm just for curiosity.
She said she was drunk. That
Okay,
she
stand up.
doesn't remember.
I'm done. Come on, stand up.
Let her know she's being arrested for aggravated.
No, put your hand.
Don't make
Tell
it
her to
worse.
put her hands behind her back. Don't resist us.
No, por favor. No, por favor.
Don't.
Let
Tell
me-
her because she's gonna wind up.
Okay.
She's getting up on the ground and hurting. Put your hands behind her back.
Okay.
¿Por qué? ¿Qué hice?
No mueve. She's getting up on the ground and hurting. Put your hands behind her back.
No.
Okay.
¿Por qué? ¿Qué hice?
No mueve.
No, okay.
No mueve.
Okay, pero what I do?
She's asking
What I do? What I
Give me
do?
your fucking
Okay, what I do?
You tell her she
what I
sprayed one of
do.
the crew members
Rose in
with
the
the
face.
chemical that the crew member is now going to the
I
hospital.
have 2
I
witnesses.
don't do that nothing.
en un tripulante en los ojos
No.
cuando estaba en el baño del...
No, I don't do that.
Two
I
people,
don't do that.
2 people said you did it,
No,
and the crew member picked you out
no, I don't do that.
from the photo.
No, I don't do that. I don't do that.
Well,
Sir, I don't do
I've
that.
got 3 people that said you did.
Can I
And you
see?
stop. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So you do speak English.
No, I speak English.
You understand it,
not-
right?
No, I
So
don't.
here's what happened. Your day in court will happen, and if you didn't do it, fight it in court, but you're going to
What
jail.
happened? What happened?
Van a ir a corte para checar porque hubo gente que dijo que usted le
Who?
roció
Yo no hice
sus
nada.
amigos
I don't
con
do
los que
that.
vino.
Come on, so
I
2, 1,
have-
10, 15.
He said you did it,
No,
and she said you did it.
no, I
Your
don't
friends.
do that. No, I don't do that.
Your friends.
I don't do that.
Your friend said you're the one that did it.
Yo no lo
The
hice.
girl that got sprayed, you're the one that did it.
No,
Yeah.
yo no lo hice.
You just said that you were so drunk you don't know.
No,
So how can you tell me?
I
Okay,
don't
well, she
know
should
this.
let her know. I've got 3 people that said she did. 3
No.
witnesses that said she did.
No.
She'll get her day in court and she can plead her case to the judge.
Okay.
And if she's going to jail.
Las 3 personas es de...
No, I don't do that.
And Anna, you still smell the booze.
Yeah, I can literally smell the alcohol.
Too much to drink, my man. My girl, whatever. Enjoy the cruise, folks.
No, with the other two
With the other
witnesses,
people?
The witnesses.
Johnny got all the information, I'm gonna guess, so yeah, they're good to enjoy the rest of the day. They just need her ID for the jail people.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.